Hey there guys, so in today's video I will be showing you all of iOS 13's features that I think you would use and you would like. So there are a lot of features in this video and I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Alright guys, so let's start with some of the features of iOS 14, and if you look at the background, that is actually the first feature I will be showing you. So they added new backgrounds, and there's 3 of them, and all 3 of them are dark mode compatible. So in stills you can see that is this one, and this one. For me, I think like this is the most coolest one out of the 3, but it depends on your opinion. And these are the iOS 13 ones. I think the 14 ones look a lot better than the 13, so that's good. And also, if you go to camera, you can mirror the front camera. Like, look at this. You can click mirror the front camera, and then if you go to camera, there we go. So then you can, basically whatever you do, it will do it. So like I'm moving my right arm right now, and it shows that I'm moving my right arm. So if we had that off, I'll show you what the difference would be. So basically, I'm now moving my left arm, but it's still showing that I'm moving my right arm. So that is the, well, let me reload that. Okay, so I'm moving the left arm, but it's still moving my right arm. So that is the difference. And you can, like, so you know how there was this option for like, if you wanted to record a quick video, you can hold the photo button and then you can lock it. So now if you want to do the burst, they added an option here. You can click the volume up for a burst. So look here. And then it bursted a photo. So that is a good feature. And the next one that I would like to show you is the most significant one on iOS 14. So that is widgets. So I'm going to be showing you how to create your own widget and how you can customize it to your opinion or your need. So you just hold down on the wallpaper, and then you click on this plus icon on the top left, and you can click on a smart stack, and there's also other types of widgets. I'm gonna try a smart stack. So you can choose between 3 sizes: the small one, which looks like an Apple Watch face; the second one, which is a lot wider; and then the third one, which is like the biggest one, and it can show you the most info. So I'm gonna go with the medium one. And in this smart stack, it can show you basically anything that you want. It can show you the weather, the date, and photos, but I don't have any photos on here right now, so it's saying no content available. Then the clock and stocks, and then reminders. So it can have a lot of things, and you can customize it however you want. So here you can say you don't want the calendar, you can take out the calendar from here. Or say you don't want the reminders and the stocks, you can take those out. And now only show what you want. So these 4 things, say these are the most important, it'll only show you these things here. And then also the app library is also a big one. So it's more organized now, and it's easier to find your apps now. So say I wanted to go to YouTube, and it's gonna, if I look through here, it's gonna take a long time. I made it a folder, but say you don't have that folder, it would take a long time. But if you go to your app library and you just go into entertainment, you can basically just click on YouTube and get what you want. So it's much more easier to find what apps you want now. And the next one is that you can also remove a page. So like, it wouldn't delete what apps you have, but like what would happen is, say I don't want this page to show up. What I could do, I could like this one, I don't want this last page to show up. So what I could do is I can just select that, and when I click done, it'll only show me these 2 pages. This page would be so these 2 pages, And then the third page is totally blank. Like as you can see, it's only bringing up the app library. So that's the only 2 pages that you can see it. But if you did want to bring that page back, you can obviously go here, select the check mark box, and click done. So now it's back, and now there's 3 pages again. And that is the next one. So I'll show you some more features, and let's get this started. Okay, so there are 2 more features that I want to show you before this video ends, and those 2 features are this batteries thing, and also I wanted to show you the Siri thing. So the first thing is the batteries. So right now, as you can see, there's a widget here that's called batteries, and it's showing the charge of the phone that I'm recording on, which is the iPhone XR. And basically what it does is, say if you have an iPad and Apple Watch that's linked to your iCloud account, so then say they were on charging and you needed your Apple Watch to go somewhere, but you didn't feel like going all the way to the place that it was getting charged, and you had your phone near you. So what you would just do is look at this widget, and then it would tell you the battery of every single Apple device that you have linked to your iCloud account. So if I had like an Apple Watch linked to my iCloud account, it would show up your Apple Watch on here along with your phone and your iPad. So that's a really cool feature, and it's much more easier, and so that you can only have your phone with you and you can be able to see the battery life in all your devices. So that's a good one. And then the second one was Siri. So Siri has changed now. So if I click convenient, because like how many times did you want to use Siri but it covered your whole screen and that got you annoyed? So that's another one. And a bonus feature that I want to tell you, and this is going to be the last one, is that now incoming calls have changed. So there's a feature in the settings app that I can't show you for privacy reasons, but when you call someone or someone calls you, the call won't cover your whole screen anymore, which was really annoying, because like you were just browsing on Google, say, and like incoming call comes and it just takes over your whole screen. So that was annoying. So what you can do is, like, it just comes up as a banner on the top of the screen, and you can make it go away, or you can get rid of it, and you didn't have to like cut the call to get rid of it, like iOS 13. So that's a really good feature. And I thought I would tell you guys that, but I can't show it to you because of privacy reasons. But that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And sorry about the way that it's vertical and not horizontal. It's just because, like, iPhone, if I hold it horizontal, it won't let me change like the way it looks on video. So that is why it is vertical. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. And peace.